Hello everyone. This is installation method of smart lock. This is the front lock and the rear lock. Screw bag lock cylinder bag. Lithium battery data cable key card also. Installation tools required. Pointed nose pliers cross screwdriver. Take out our front lock and 2 bushings in the screw pack. Screw the 2 bushings in. Front base plate stud. Tighten the casing with pointed nose pliers. Front. The preparation for the door lock is complete. We unscrew these 3 screws. Remove the rear lock. Put the battery compartment aside for backup. Remove the tail strip and latch from the screw pack. The tail bar is inserted at the anti-lock knob. Latch from knob hole. Insertion fixed tail. After the latch is fixed to the tail strip, bend the tail with nose pliers. After fixing, preparing for our rear lock, the job is done. Next, take out the prepared front lock. Lock cylinder aligned with iron plate lock cylinder hole. The thread goes through the opening of the door frame. Install the rear lock iron plate on the door first. Run the thread through this hole. Take out the screw bag. 2 bamboo screws. Cut to the right size. Alignment hole. Tighten the slub screw slightly. Alignment hole. Tighten the slub screw slightly. Tighten the 2 screws. Take out the prepared rear lock. Plug the main cable into the rear main board. The tail strip is inserted into the lock body anti-lock hole. The lock cylinder rotating shaft is inserted into the rear lock motor. Remove the square strip from the screw pack. Cut to the appropriate length. Square bar and lock cylinder rotation shaft, 2-3 cm away from the facade. Stuff the extra main thread into the door crack. Rear lock aligned with anti-lock knob. Lock cylinder rotating shaft, square in. Align and screw on. 3 screws to fix the rear lock. Unscrew the previous one. 3 screws back. Home. Plug the 3 screws. Plug it back into the screw hole. Turn the handle. Check if the handle rotates smoothly. And try anti-lock. Does the knob rotate smoothly? Take out the lithium battery. Fit into the battery compartment in this direction. The battery compartment is placed from this position. In this way, the door lock is installed.